Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So today's video is going to be a beauty related video, as you see from the title or the thumbnail. I'm going to be doing my Valentine nail press-on set. It is actually currently the Friday after Valentine's Day, so it's like 4 days after. I did these nails from last week Friday, and then I put them on Monday and I wore them for 2 days, so I took them off on Tuesday. So yes, they actually held up for most part. I think the big fingers are the ones that gave me a little bit of issue. They're the only ones that fell off, but I just put them on back and then that was fine. So this is the video for them. I did not make a intro or an outro, so I'm just making it now. So yes guys, let's get into the video.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh. Something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh. Baby, I've been wanting something from me. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from me. You've been giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from me. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from me. You've been giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from me. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from me. You've been giving nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like the set, go ahead and comment down below. I'm trying to practice so I can start making my own personal nails to sell, so that is why I'm making them. I want to make a next set probably about next week or so, because this weekend will be busy, so I will not have time to make a set this weekend. So I want to make some like next weekend or somewhere thereabouts. So yes, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.